Alright, so now I'm back, Dick the Throttle, with another video. This time it's not motorcycle related. It's for my HIDs. Hey Caden, it's my son who's watching Phineas and Ferb. So you can go sit down if you like. So just ordered some HIDs off eBay. They were $29.99. They went the $100 ones with a ton of wire into your battery and all that extra crap. So small package. Okay, it's definitely a Chinese product. The Pro Max HIDs. There is Chinese writing on it. I usually order the xenon lights or whatever like that. Can't even say that word, but okay, so it's not even like in a box. They just kind of put it in there. So okay, my two headlights wrapped in plastic and the styrofoam. The harnesses, none of the prongs in there are bent or anything, so I guess so far so good. Let's take everything out. Screw it. What the heck am I doing? These will plunge into the light. I haven't done this in so long. There we go. So, just so you can see, there's this little clip that pokes up on the top. And you have this. So you want to make sure that that piece goes into that. Okay? So this. And it's kind of like that. Okay, so I know which kind these are. So basically, this isn't going to connect into my my actual headlight port. If I can get this stupid twisty off. Show you how it works. So basically, these are the HIDs I've had before, but not from this brand. So you get these all set up. Okay, so they're all connected. So basically, instead of just having something that plugs right into the headlight port where it goes, these two actually go inside the port. You'll have two little prongs, and one goes on the positive side, one goes on the negative side. So basically, they're universal. I guess I could use this to plug it into my headlight port. Like this. Then like, you can use this to plug it in, but I'm just going to use electrical tape. That's everything that's in the box.
Quick update. You don't need to pop your hood for this or anything like that. Most people say unplug that, but I don't have time for that. My cap was really hard to get off, and being it's a Dodge Start, they have that little panel to reach the light. So I did everything, took the bulb out just to see if it works. Told you how I did everything earlier, just the two little prongs. You just hit the unlock button, and the HID turns on, lock, it turns off. So we know it hooked it up right. Now I just got to do some plugging in, and I'll show you the full install of the other one. I just wanted to make sure this worked. So I'll be right back with you. Alright, back. Got one side done. So basically, on the other side, in the little door, there's that little thing right there. Let's go ahead and twist it with one hand. The other one was really hard to get off, but this one, not so much. Alright, and then it's going to be your light right there.
Can I say hi?
Hold on, buddy. So basically, you got to twist that counterclockwise, just like the door. I'm going to try and do that now so the camera on top of the tire. Make sure I'm gripping the right light. And there's your light. So here's a little clamp. Just push up and pull out. Disconnected. Time to grab the HID. So, not gonna test this one. I figured it already works. At least it better. And I realized that the green wire on this is actually positive. So, yeah, I might as well test it to make sure it works. Yeah. So, just to make sure it works, let's hit the unlock button. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the unlock button to make sure it turns on. Alright, we have light. Lock it back and let's get this installed. Let me find a good place to sit down. Alright, see what we're looking at. Okay, find my 3 little hinges. Alright, left hand, I know you're not good with anything, but alright, just gotta, you can't see in there, just kinda no way, I just got it that first try. I don't know. Let me pull it on real quick. No. Now it's in there. Alright, so I realized that I didn't drill a hole in my cap covering. So I'm gonna have to do that later on down the road. Hold on, let me look in there real quick. Alright, that looks good so far. So I'm gonna stuff all this in here. Set that right there. Let me go get a zip tie really quick and I'll be right back.
I'll give you a zip tie.
Alright, got my zip tie. So, what I did on the last one was put it on here, stuff all that in there, and I'm going to find something to hook it to really quick. That's sturdy. That pipe looks pretty good. Yeah, maybe I will. Come here, Ballast. I can't see you, but I can feel you. Dang it. Pulled it out. So working when you can't see is never a good thing. Kaden, stop, man.
I already hammered it in.
I told you stop hammering stuff. Alright. So I'll be back to finish up and make the job cleaner. I just wanted to get it in. My door hinge back. That's all to it. 5-minute install.
Dad, can I talk to them?
Now let's look. Hold on, Kaden. Let's look in the front. Oh, it's in crooked. Yeah, I gotta fix that. It's aimed down. That one is perfect. Let's go readjust that one. I don't know why I put the door in before I did it. Should have learned my lesson the first time. But trial by error. And I won't need to mess with the ballast. It's just twisting the light. If I can get this stupid door hinge back off. So this happened on the first one. Just gotta reach up there. Find the little port. Twist. Give it a twist. You'll feel it like fall into the little. Let me unlock unlock it and check it out. Kaden, take it out. Oh, much better. There we go. That even felt good when I did it. Definitely better. Alrighty. Little finagling.
I can't even
But-
take it out.
Nice and blue. Nice and blue. So I'm gonna let it give those couple seconds to heat up.
Dad, this was pushing right at me.
These are 10K. And they go off. Can I turn it back on? Yeah. But that's all to it. So those are my daytime lights. To actually turn my headlight on, they're definitely a lot brighter. Oh, I can't wait to see it at night. But those are 10K HIDs, $29 eBay special. Both working good. Really 10-15 minute install. Could have been shorter than that if I didn't keep putting the damn light in crooked, but a little finagle, take your time. Takes no time at all. If you have any questions, comments, I know I did some rookie crap, and I know I have to go back in and seal my my connections up because the wires are exposed. But I just wanted to get them in just so you guys can kind of see. But I'm about to do that now. But I'll be back.